Once upon a time, there was a young girl who loved to explore the forest near her home. One day she came across a beautiful flower that she had never seen before. It was so pretty that she decided to pick it and take it home. But as she walked through the forest, she started to feel guilty. She realized that she had in something that did not belong her,
And that the flower belonged in the forest where it could grow and thrive.
So she went back to where she had picked the flower and carefully replanted it in the she drowned. Moral of the story: it's essential to respect nature, leave things where we find them, and protect the environment to help things grow and thrive. We should all do our part in preserving our planet.